Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a C program to find the sum of even number using recursion. Okay, so let's start the question. Include studio.h int main, and I will take a variable n up to which I have to find the sum of even number. Okay, let I take n. Okay, and I will write here printf enter n here. Okay, and in next line I will take the input of n modulus d comma ampersand n, and in this line I will call the function. Okay, so let's take a function sum even. Okay, and I will pass n in the function. So let's take other variable num. So if num is 0, then what should be the sum of the even numbers? If num is 0, then sum should also be 0. Okay, so I will add condition here. If num is equal to 0, then what should we return 0. Okay, and second condition I will write if num modulus 2 is equal to 0. That means if this condition is correct, that means num is even. Okay, if num is even, we just minus 2 from that number, so we will get the sum of even number. So I will return here, return num plus sum even, and we minus 2 from num minus 2, because num is even. If we minus 2 from even number, then we also get even number. Okay, and in else condition, uh, if we are coming in else condition, that means the number is odd. So if the number is odd, we just minus 1 to get even element. So we will return here, return sum even and num minus 1. Okay, if let us assume num is 5. Okay, so this condition is wrong, this condition is wrong, we just come in this condition, and 5 minus 1, we will return 5 minus 1 means 4. So in this the place of num we will get 4. So 4 is not equal to 0, so this condition is wrong, this condition is correct. So we just minus 4 minus 2, after that 2 minus 0, so we will get 4 plus 2 plus 0, we get 6 if num is 5, n is 5. Okay, so I will take another variable t, and t equal to sum even, and I will pass n in this function. Okay, and I will print here sum of even number up to n is modulus t, or up to modulus t. Okay, modulus t comma n comma what is the function t. Okay, and I will return here 0. Let's run the code. Let we are taking n equal to 5, so what should it return? 4 plus 2 means 6. Enter. Sum of even numbers up to 5 is 6. Okay, let's take n value 10. It should return, I think it should return 30. Enter. Sum of even numbers up to 10 is 30. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.